Here I am outside. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. I am the and finally made it outside. Ooh, Jesus. Oh, oh, slippery. Oh my God, where's my car? Oh my God. This snow is still coming down. Oh God. Oh, slippery. I tell you how deep this thing is. It's not even all the way down, but let's see. Jeez Louise. Gotta get the stuff off my car. I looked at my wallet. Really, that's the reason I'm here. Oh my God. How am I going to get to my car? Look at this. Okay. See how far down that is? If I go step, I'm going to start sinking. My foot is all the way down in there. Oh. Ah. Hey! Look at the big holes left behind. Oh my gosh. Okay, I made it. Okay. Let's see if I can get some of this stuff off the top of my car. Look at it. Ah, not today. But look at those big, huge footsteps. My aunts have those big prints. Like a giant. See this? Can you see? What's left in my car. And now it's a total block of ice. Totally. I don't want to mess my car up. Oh my gosh. I'll try to back it up, see if I can get it out.